Secretary of the BJP and Northeast in charge Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Sunil Deodhar said opposition is trying to speak against the BJP and they also try to misguide people because they don't want Modi and his party to grow in the state. He also said that the only way to break this ice is to go to the people and convince them. Deodhar said that in Goa before the BJP had only 2 or 3 MLAs, but in the last 10 years under the BJP government nothing else happened. Rather, they are growing and flourishing because we don't have anything against anybody, not only the Christian. He also said that he has faith in all the leaders of Meghalaya and they will be able to work for the betterment of the party.
Bharatiya Janata Party, and we will say
the only way to break this ice is to go to people and convince them. As Goa minister is a Christian Catholic, he said that before BJP had only 2 or 3 MLAs, and every election there was a strong campaigning from Congress specifically that if BJP comes to power then all Christians will be finished, like that. And now he is telling that last 10 years BJP government is there and many Christian ministers are there, MLAs are there, and nothing has happened to Christians. Rather they are flourishing, they are growing.
Another heavy mudslide occurred